Welcome to our explainer on why this winter feels so cold, and how it connects to global climate change. You might think a colder winter means global warming isn't real, but that's not quite the case. Climate change doesn't just mean the Earth gets hotter everywhere all the time. Think of it like a stone thrown into a still pond. The ripples spread, affecting the entire body of water, not just the point of impact. What we're experiencing this winter is a stark reminder of these far-reaching consequences. Climate change makes weather more unpredictable. Hot places can get colder sometimes, and dry places can have heavy rains. Imagine a pride of lions in the savannah, accustomed to predictable seasons of rainfall and drought. Now picture their world in disarray, with unexpected downpours flooding their hunting grounds. This winter's chill is a prime example of this phenomenon. We may anticipate warmer temperatures due to global warming, but the reality is far more intricate and concerning. High in the Arctic, a swirling mass of cold air, known as the polar vortex, is usually held captive by a delicate balance of atmospheric pressure. However, this balance is being disrupted by the effects of climate change. The Arctic is warming at an alarming rate, twice as fast as other parts of the globe. This disrupts the polar vortex, weakening its grip on the frigid Arctic air. This escaping cold air then interacts with the jet stream, a fast-flowing air current that circles the northern hemisphere. With climate change weakening the jet stream, it becomes wavier and less predictable. This allows the escaped Arctic air to penetrate further south, bringing unusually cold temperatures to regions unaccustomed to such extremes. High above us, invisible rivers of air, known as jet streams, snake their way across the globe. These jet streams, driven by temperature differences between the equator and the poles, play a crucial role in shaping our weather patterns. However, as the Arctic warms at an unprecedented rate, these jet streams are thrown into disarray. The once reliable jet streams become wavier, slower, and prone to stalling. When a jet stream stalls, it can lock weather patterns in place, leading to prolonged periods of extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold. This winter, the erratic behavior of the jet stream is partly responsible for the persistent cold snap gripping many regions. The chill in the air this winter isn't solely due to climate change. A natural climate pattern, La Niña, is also playing a role. La Niña is like turning down the thermostat of the Pacific Ocean, cooling the surface waters of the central and eastern Pacific Ocean. This cooling effect has a ripple effect on the atmosphere, altering wind patterns and influencing temperatures worldwide. This year, La Niña's cooling influence is adding to the effects of climate change, exacerbating the cold snap in certain areas. While La Niña is a natural phenomenon, its occurrence alongside climate change highlights the complex interplay between natural variability and human-induced warming. It's easy to be misled by a particularly cold winter, to question the reality of a warming planet. But just as a single cold day doesn't negate the arrival of spring, this winter's chill doesn't change the long-term trajectory of our planet's climate. While we shiver in our winter coats, it's crucial to remember that globally temperatures continue to rise at an alarming rate. Glaciers are melting at an unprecedented pace, sea levels are rising, and extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. These are not isolated incidents, but interconnected symptoms of a planet grappling with the consequences of human activity. This winter's cold snap is a wake-up call, urging us to recognize the global nature of this crisis. In short, climate change is like messing with the Earth's weather machine. It doesn't just make things hotter, it makes everything more extreme and unpredictable. This year's cold snap is part of that bigger picture. While we may marvel at the beauty of a snow-covered landscape, it's essential to remember the underlying forces at play. By understanding the science behind these extreme weather events, we can make informed decisions to mitigate our impact and protect the future of our planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on our changing planet.